Today, I'm going to show you how to use NotebookLM to rank #1 on Google. This thing just got a massive upgrade. It's now 10 times smarter. It can do your research in seconds, and it can write content that actually ranks. And I'm going to walk you through the exact workflow I use, step by step, no fluff. Let's go. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency, Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. All right, let me tell you what just happened. Google dropped Gemini 3 into NotebookLM, and this changes everything for SEO. Before this update, NotebookLM was good for taking notes. Now it thinks, it reasons, it analyzes, it builds full research reports, it creates content ready to publish. This is not just a note-taking app anymore. This is an SEO machine. Here's what's new. First, Gemini 3 integration. This means NotebookLM now has better reasoning. It understands context. It generates smarter outputs. For SEO, this means you can create content that actually matches what people are searching for. No more guessing, no more copying and pasting between 10 different tools. You upload your sources and NotebookLM does the thinking for you. Second, deep research mode. This is crazy. You can upload hundreds of documents or URLs. NotebookLM reads all of them. Then it extracts the main ideas. It builds tables. It creates comparisons. It gives you SEO ready briefs all automatically. Think about this for a second. You want to rank for a keyword in the AI automation space. You grab the top 20 pages that already rank. You upload them to NotebookLM, and it tells you exactly what topics they cover, what keywords they use, and what gaps you can fill. That's the power here. Third, better custom chats and goals. The chat window is bigger now. You can set specific goals. You can tell it to act like an SEO strategist. You can say, create a content plan for the AI Profit Boardroom, and it does it. The prompts work better. You don't need to keep tweaking them. You tell it what you want once, and it delivers. Fourth, export and workflow features. This is where it gets practical. NotebookLM can now export directly to Google Sheets and Docs. It can build data tables from your research. It can create slide decks. It can make infographics. This means you go from research to final deliverable without switching tools. You save hours. And by the way, I'll show you exactly how to do this in a minute. And one more thing, if you're creating all this content with NotebookLM, but nobody is finding it online, you've got a traffic problem. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads, more traffic, and more sales, my team can help you rank higher on Google. Check the link in the comments and description to order AI SEO online, and let us handle your backlinks while you focus on growing your business. All right, now let me show you the workflow. This is what I use. This is what works. There are 4 prompts. Each one builds on the last one. By the end, you have content ready to publish. I'm going to use the AI Profit Boardroom as the example here, but you can swap in your own business and your own keywords. The workflow stays the same. Let me walk you through each prompt. Pay attention because these are the exact prompts you'll use. Prompt 1, research the keyword how to use AI automation to grow online communities, gather top 20 ranking pages, and build a ranked table of common topics, primary and secondary keywords, search intent classification, and gaps we can exploit. Provide a source link summary. You use this first. This builds your foundation. You need to know what's already ranking before you create anything. NotebookLM reads all those pages. It pulls out the patterns. It shows you what works. It shows you what's missing. This is your roadmap. The key here is you're not just getting a list of keywords. You're getting an analysis of what's working in your space. For the AI Profit Boardroom, this keyword targets people who want to grow communities using AI. That's exactly who we want to reach. This prompt helps you understand the landscape. It helps you see where the opportunities are, and it does it faster than any manual research process. You're gathering intelligence before you create anything. You're seeing what your competitors are doing, and you're finding the gaps they're not filling. Prompt 2, create an SEO optimized content outline for a blog post about using AI automation to grow online communities. Specifically for the AI Profit Boardroom audience, include target keywords, headings, suggested word count, meta title and description, FAQ ideas, and internal link targets. This turns your research into a blueprint. You now have your structure, you have your headings, you have your keywords, you have your FAQ section. Everything's mapped out. You're not staring at a blank page anymore. You have a plan. This is where you go from data to strategy. The outline gives you direction. It tells you what sections to write. It tells you how long each section should be. It gives you the meta tags you need for Google. For the AI Profit Boardroom, this means structuring content that speaks directly to business owners who want to use AI to automate and grow their communities. You're building with purpose. every piece has a reason to exist, and you're doing it based on what already ranks, not what you think might work, the outline becomes your guide for everything that comes next. Prompt 3. Write the first 1,200 words of a blog post based on the outline. Focus on how AI automation helps grow online communities, like the AI Profit Boardroom. Keep SEO best practices in mind, add natural keyword placement, and include internal and external links. Use a friendly and practical tone for entrepreneurs who want to scale their communities with AI. This generates your main content draft. It writes in the tone you want. It includes keywords naturally. It adds links where they make sense. You're not starting from scratch. You're editing something that's already mostly done. The beauty of this prompt is specificity. You're telling it exactly who you're writing for. You're telling it what tone to use. You're telling it to follow SEO best practices. For the AI Profit Boardroom, we want a tone that's friendly but practical. We're talking to entrepreneurs. We're talking to people who want real solutions. The more specific you are, the better the output. And because you already fed it the research and the outline, the content stays on track. Prompt 4. Review the draft blog post about AI automation for growing online communities. Improve SEO quality, including readability, keyword density, and topic coverage. Produce an SEO checklist, meta tags, and structured data suggestions. Also generate a brief analytics plan to track performance after publishing. This is your final step. This takes your draft and makes it publish ready. It checks your keyword usage. It improves how easy it is to read. It gives you the technical SEO elements you need. It even helps you plan how to measure success after you publish. This prompt is about refinement. You're taking something good and making it great. You're catching things you might have missed. You're making sure your content meets all the requirements Google looks for. And you're setting yourself up to track what happens next. For content about the AI Profit Boardroom, this means making sure you're not overusing keywords, making sure your paragraphs are easy to read, making sure you have all your meta descriptions and title tags ready. It's the final quality check before anything goes live. This is where you turn a draft into a finished piece that's ready to perform. So now you have a complete workflow. You have the research phase with prompt 1, you have the planning phase with prompt 2, you have the creation phase with prompt 3, and you have the polish phase with prompt 4. Each prompt builds on the one before it. Each prompt moves you closer to publish ready content. And you're doing all of this in one tool. No jumping around, no switching contexts, just a straight line from idea to finished piece. Try this workflow, use these prompts, and let me know how it goes. Drop a comment below with your experience. And one more thing, if you're creating all this content with NotebookLM, but nobody is finding it online, you've got a traffic problem. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads, more traffic, and more sales, my team can help you rank higher on Google. Check the link in the comments and description to order AI SEO online, and let us handle your backlinks while you focus on growing your business. And if you want to rank number 1 and get more customers, join the SEO Elite Circle. That's where we actually teach you how this works. No theory, no recycled tips, just the exact AI SEO systems we're using right now. We break everything down step by step with real workflows, weekly live support, and clear actions you can follow without guessing. If you're serious about scaling with SEO and AI, this is where you start. Hit the link in the description and join the SEO Elite Circle today. All right, that's it for today. And if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button for more AI and SEO updates. I'll see you in the next one.